Introducing FType Ultra, our Pro LED downlight, explicitly designed for first and second fix applications. Featuring everything you love about FType Mark II, to include dim-to-warm CCT, 4-color CCT, and wattage change technology. With an enhanced installation experience thanks to our ClipFit system. Remove the VDE connector, do the wiring, let the builders, painters and decorators finish up. Carry out the insulation resistance, 500-volt tests using our approved VDE connector. Insert the connector, lock the collar, use the quick view window to check your wiring, fasten the cables, then plug in the downlight. Done. Available in a choice of fixtures to include flat, regressed and adjustable, with a selection of optional bezel finishes to choose from. Our feature-rich downlights are fire rated for 30, 60 and 90 minutes, fully building reg compliant, and backed by a 7-year warranty, plus way more. Choose Luceco's FType Ultra downlights to make downlighting choices easier. And learn more at the Luceco website.